how to make a Prizepicks account without verification. Now you've been trying to go ahead and then launch your Prizepicks app right here. You enable your location access and so on, and then you go about signing up, and then normally you would just go ahead and then enter your email address right here. So let me go ahead and do that as well. After that, you would enter a promo code if you have, tap on continue, and then after that you simply have to select your first name as well as also your last name right here. And once you've done that, you would have to tap on continue, simply select your month as well as the day as well as also the year right here and tap on continue. Then after that, you would have to type in the address, tap on continue and create your password and tap the continue button. But after that, it would ask you for an ID verification. So is there a way to go ahead and then bypass the verification and create an account on Prizepicks? Well, unfortunately no, because you can see Prizepicks will ask you for the last 4 digits of your SSN and submit a photo of your ID, and once you submit your ID and your account is verified, only then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically finish the verification process and sign up. Now because they basically, you can see they say, why am I being asked for the last 4 digits of my SSN? Because they have to verify that you are a real owner and a real citizen of the country that you're playing from. Otherwise Prizepicks will not be enabled. Hopefully in the future, if they might integrate a feature where we can start playing without verifying our account, I will make sure to update you about it. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.